Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is JMakeover. Today I'm going to show you the basic lines in the mehendi design, henna. I have made this cute little cone. If you want to do this, please check out my previous video. And in this video I'm going to teach you all the different types of line. So for an example, I'm going to keep a rectangle here. So for a beginner it will be very difficult to draw a straight line in mehendi. So what you can do is you can keep a dotted line like this. So this is a technique that you can use, especially if you are a beginner. You can use this for any of the outlines, any of the design. See, I'm keep making a rectangle here. You may want to make a square or a round or a rose or a lotus, whatever. The biggest advantage of this is you will get a straight line, and after making this dotted line you will want to just redraw it and just clear it like this and adjust the surface or area or the line or the edge, whatever was not good. So now we are done with the outline. Before filling in any of the designs, you must do an outline, and dotted line helps you get it perfect. So I am going to fill in with a very basic design. You might have seen this design in almost in all mehendi designs of Indian mehendi. So this is very simple. I'm just showing you a way to fill it in, how to fill it and how to give an outline. I'm going to teach you some more lines too, so stay tuned. So I'm just giving a thicker outline, thicker line here. Okay. So when you are doing this, you might see that excess mehendi are sticking to the tip of the mehendi. I will tell you how to clear it. Before that, to differentiate it from any other design, I am going to give one more line. So to avoid it merging with the previous line, I am going to give a dotted line here too. This is very easy. Okay. So I hope this is clear. So let's fill it in. Whenever you feel that something is sticking in the tip of the mehendi, what you should do is you should hold it and just clear it. Okay, don't pinch the tip. Just clear like this. With a cloth it will be better. So whenever it sticks the extra mehendi, especially when you give thicker line, it tends to gather the mehendi in the tip. So whenever you feel like, just clear it. This kind of design you must be doing in somewhere in the middle of a bridal or any mehendi design. So doing this outline is very, very important to get it neat. So dotted line is a technique to get it even more better, especially for the beginner who cannot make straight line in a single shot. So on the dotted line I am giving an outline. This is nothing but a straight line that's not so thick, that comes with the same width of the mehendi hole. You don't have to squeeze out so much mehendi, just a single line. You must do it only after finishing inside. Only then the design will come out very neat. Otherwise it will mess up in the edges. Okay, so dotted line helps to fill exactly inside and then a outline. So I'm going to show you how to do the finishing line. Okay, so these three types of line are very important in mehendi. So I'm I'm going to do the finishing line. I will show the differentiation here. So first, what did we do? This was the dotted line. Okay, this is dotted line to make the outline and to adjust the design and the area. And then we made a outline. Okay, made an outline, and this is called finishing line. This is also an outline, but the thicker one, you must squeeze out a lot of mehendi, only then the finishing line comes out very good. Let me do this here. So why should we do the finishing lines? You might have seen mehendi photos. How do they look? Sometimes you might have noticed, even before finishing out the entire design, the mehendi tends to get dry and fall out. But after finishing the entire mehendi, they are taking photos and it's still clear. The entire design is there. What could be the reason? The reason they might have finished is faster, or after completing it, they are giving a finishing line fully from the top to bottom. That is the reason it looks so fresh. Okay, so dotted line, outline, and the finishing line, you might have noticed the differentiation. Use these lines and complete almost all designs. That will be very useful. Just try this if you are, especially if you are a beginner or if you are already doing mehendi, and let me know your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.